In this lecture, we are going to learn how to add and append new items in a list.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
It's very easy to do it, but let me start with the list with the name values. I have assigned it the values 100, 200 and 1000, and I am going to write values dot append and it's 2500. Append is something that means that the value will be added only in the end of the list. So when I will print values, the output is going to be 100, 200, 1000 and 2500, right? Append is just inserting at the end of the list. So append is the function. When I would write values dot append 2500, it will be appended in the last. So in order to prove this, I am going to print the list values, and I have written the alternative syntax also. Go to run, and then after run, you will see the output. Yeah, you can see 100, 200, 1000, and this is the new value that was appended in the last by using the append function. Okay, let's move forward. Now you can also a list into another list. What I want to say is you can also add a list. You would write values dot extend. Extend is a function. What it will do is it will add a list into another list. The list already existing list is values. When I would write values dot extend, and then I am writing 90, 101, 789. This is the list that will be extended with this values list. So you can let me change the comment. You can also add a list into another list using extend function. So this is it. This is the list that will be added into already existing list values. I will print values and I will see the output. Okay, click on run. Yeah, that's it. 100, 200, 1000. This was these were the values of the list values, and 90, 101, 789. This was the list which was appended into it. Okay, let's proceed further. I am going to take another list with the name number. So I am giving the number 10, 25. Let it be comma 80 or something 909. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to write print and then values, which is the name of the list. Then I would write values plus number. Right, it's very simple to understand it. The values and numbers, both the lists, they will be merged together. So you can see it, right? So the values being displayed are 100, 200, 1000, 2500, 90, 101, 789 and 10, 25, 80, 909. So what you can see is the values list was containing the values till 789 and 10, 25, 80, 909, which came from the list number. They were appended by using the concatenation symbol plus. Now we will discuss another very interesting operator, multiplication, which can be used in the context of lists. We can use multiplication symbol to repeat a value. So what I will do is, suppose I am going to write print and then within square brackets Anand, okay, multiplied by 5, right? So this Anand is a list. What will happen is Anand value will be repeated 5 times Anand value of this list will be repeated 5 times. This is an unnamed list. Yeah, you can see Anand is being displayed 5 times.